Welcome to Treyarnon in Cornwall.
We've just followed on the coastal path from Constantine to Treyarnon. Ooh. And there's a lot of people everywhere and dogs. So behind us is Constantine Bay, and then we're just now walking towards Treyarnon. We are going to show you the tidal pool. The tide's coming in at the moment, so I don't think it's going to be there right now, but it's so popular with a lot of people come here just for that. But we'll see. I haven't been here for a long time, but this is the way you would head towards the pool. So here's a lovely little viewpoint, somewhere to sit, a bit rusty, but I'll just show you the view from here. Look at that water, it looks beautiful. Right, I'm just going to go down and take you onto the rocks, just to view some of the rock pools. Now I think the tidal pool's gone. I haven't been here in a long time. It is somewhere along here. I think maybe it's further down over there. It's another little viewpoint. The bay is over there and the tide obviously is coming in. It looks quite busy, and again there's another campsite to the left. So it's quite popular with tourists, especially for sort of, you know, this time of year. We're just going to walk over there now and show you a bit more, maybe, of the pool if we can find it.
As you can see, lots of holiday makers or locals. You know, I'd imagine people all around Cornwall come to these spots. If you're close to a beach, it probably makes sense just to go to that beach. If you're in Newquay, you may as well go to the Newquay beaches, but sometimes you like to venture out like we do. You like to go all over Cornwall. But yeah, it's good to see everyone out enjoying the sunshine. The waves are breaking, which gives it a bit more fun in the sea, I feel. If it's just flat and calm, it's good for bathing, but when you've got a bit of waves, it gets everyone in there on your boogie boards. Down here you've got the Treyarnon rock pool, which is one of many in Cornwall, so very nice. You can just bathe in there if you wanted.
No one's in it this morning.
No one's in it. It's probably because the tide's in. It's a bit harder to get to, maybe. You can probably get down from where we are here. I mean, you fancy going in there, babe?
No.
No, you don't want to go in?
I've had my dip this year.
But I'll be in there just for them waves, just the body surf, to be honest.
I wish it was something.
Yeah, people just come for a general walk. You've got benches everywhere, all nice, and sit down. But as we're getting closer to Treyarnon, you've got all these tents, or is it glamping? I don't know what it is, but you've got this little site here, which, look at it, prime spot. What's on your doorstep? Pay thousands aboard to have a hotel on the beach. This nice anyway. This all links to Constantine. That's why you see a lot of people here, because you got Constantine, which is a massive open beach, which, you know, you're a bit more spread out. Here looks a bit like fish straw. Everyone's sat on top of each other, but then, like I said, you've got this campsite right there, so there's probably a lot of people, and you've got holiday parks up there. So yeah, it's probably why they're just like, yeah, let's go down here. But you've got Boobies Bay, Constantine, all connected, going that way if you wanted to, and that's why you're seeing a lot of walkers march through. Great spot for walking. And obviously you've got Trevose Golf Club and everything around. St Merryn's Village, Padstow nearby. But look at it here. Very busy little beach, isn't it? So, you've got the Harlyn Surf School, surf, coast steering, kayaking, SUP boards, lessons, hires and tours. Over here we've got toilets, I think. Or it's generally people trying to sell stuff. Yeah, I think they are toilets. But look how busy it is. It's going to be 28 degrees today. Toilets there, charities trying to get the money in. St Luke's checkpoint, that's what it is. Trying to get some money in for their charity. So this is the car park. It's quite big, so that's probably why it's a lot busier at this beach than Constantine, because Constantine's car park's really small. You have to park. But if you want to go Constantine, you can just park here and walk, which is a bit more open beach. I'd recommend, especially on days like today. But the water's clear. But yeah, lots of cars can park here. Don't know how much it is. Got a little shop there if you need a bucket and spade. That's where you pay. And then you've got all these holiday accommodations around as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like and subscribe button and follow us for more of Cornwall. You'll love it. Get involved. Thank you very much.